Hi, so in this video we'll have a look at using the math input panel in Microsoft Forms when you might be creating some quizzes for your students. So something to look at here, and might be of particular interest for mathematics teachers, is how to actually enable this math input panel, and maybe how to get some more symbols and notation maybe than the maths input panel is presenting to you. So here's an example of a question that a teacher wanted to create as a multiple choice question and pop into a Microsoft Forms quiz, and here you can actually see that they managed to do this. So the student here had to select which they felt was the correct answer, which they thought. So let's have a look at how that question was actually created. So you might notice here, if I maybe just tell Forms that I want to create this question, I chose a choice question, and I input the question, so we might just copy and paste it here to quicken up the video. And then we can now pop in the possible answers. So just to show you here, if I click on these three dots or the ellipses, I have turned on the math option. So here, if I don't have that on, when I click in here, I'm not getting the input panel, but once I enable this option and I click in, I am getting that panel. So I want to put in this x is greater than -10, and x is an element of the integer set. But I have a problem now because I do not have the element of symbol here for myself. So that might kind of say, well, am I limited to just these symbols? But you're actually not. So if you're used to using the Office products like Word or PowerPoint, and you want to be able to put in the equations, you're probably used to putting in insert equation, or you might know to press @= to bring up the equation editor. And when you do that, you get at the top this equation editor, which brings up a lot of symbols for you. So if you were to have a look through those and find the symbol that you're actually hope to input here into your form, I found the element sign here, or element of. So if I hover over that, you can see in brackets, it's quite small, the writing, but it shows /in. So now I know that that's a way to actually indicate to any of the Office products that I want to type in that mathematical notation. So if I put my /in and press the space bar, it recognizes that as the element symbol. So that's a nice tip for you to have if you are interested in creating some quizzes here in Microsoft Forms, and you want access to more mathematics symbols and notation maybe than this input panel is giving to you.